What is going on, guys? I'm back again for another video. I want to apologize for yesterday's video. I know the vibe was kind of like low and shit. It's cuz I woke up sick as fuck. I had like allergies, runny nose. I felt like I had a fever, but I was like, you know what? I still got to put out that video for you guys. So, I still put it out there. But I apologize if the vibe was kind of low and shit, but today's going to be a great day. We're going to go watch the cars, but before I do that, or before we do that, my bad. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the front fenders and lower it a little bit more, because yesterday that I slammed the rear, you could tell that the rear's lower, and I really don't like that shit. So I want to have it even, so I'm gonna roll the two front fenders right now and then adjust the height. As you can tell, the back is just a little lower, not hella, but you can tell that it's lower, maybe like an inch. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this fender roller right here. Guard I'll set up now, and I'm gonna heat it up the fender with this. They're slammed all the way. It's a bit more even. It's looking good. When the squatter pulls up, damn.
In the air train, but wait a minute, we gotta hit the stove, man. I got to get
drinking, I'ma shoot. My weapon be an instrument. I blow you like a flute. Nigga crazy, so he finna pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like
how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
We out here. I'm more done with our cars. All the cars are looking fresh as fuck. Check that out. God damn. Sexy motherfucker. Then there's mine. Clean ass bitch.
HBK, yeah, you know how we. And I can't quit, all I know is gang. HBK, yeah, you know how we. And I can't quit, all I know is.
I love my gang. Wherever I go, my homies come to. I love my squad. We up in this thing, love what that shit do. I love my squad. I love my squad. I love my squad. I love my squad. Back up in this bitch, back up in this bitch. Make your lady back up in this bitch and hop up in the six. And you should ignore these rappers, man. They say anything. Call me Susie Piggy Bank. I got plenty.
Out here. A lot of grub. Damn. With the crew. We back home now. The whip's all clean. Closest out here. Y'all have a cool one.